What's up, guys? Jose here, shreddeddat.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of battle ropes. If you don't know what a battle rope is, it's basically one of those thick ropes, and they're used for working out, mainly for the upper body. However, you can combine the lower body as well, and you attach them to an anchor point, as you can see right there on my rack. Now, it's important to get an anchor point that's not going to fray your battle ropes so that they can last for a long period of time. The battle ropes come in different sizes. This one, for example, is a 30-foot rope that's an inch and a half thick. It can go up to 40 feet, 50 feet, and then up to 2 inches in thickness. So the longer and thicker it is, the heavier it's going to be, so the harder of a workout you're going to get. And the benefits are, we're going to talk about 4 benefits. So benefit number 1, it's a full body workout. You're going to be using different types of muscles. You're going to be using your arms, shoulders, forearms, your back, your core, your legs. So it's a complete workout. So as you know, full body workouts are going to burn a ton of calories. And you don't need a lot of time doing this battle rope because it'll kick your ass, seriously kick your ass. Benefit number 2, it's low impact. Unlike exercises like jumping, running, or bench pressing or squatting, that puts a lot of strain on your joints. With the battle rope, you're grounded, you're not bouncing up and down, and most of the impact is taken by the rope itself. Benefit number 3, it combines cardio and weight training at the same time. Like I mentioned earlier, depending on the intensity of the workout that you're having, it's a cardio workout. It'll kick your ass. Plus, these ropes are heavy. This one weighs about 20 pounds, so you're combining strength training as well with cardio. So you're going to be burning a ton of calories. And number 4 is a form of high intensity cardio. So just like high intensity cardio such as sprinting or high intensity jump roping, you're going to be burning calories not only during the exercise but also after you're done exercising. And what that's going to do is it's going to increase the number of calories that you're burning, and it's also going to allow you to burn a tremendous amount of fat. So I hope you enjoyed the 4 benefits of battle ropes. Number 1, it's a full body workout. Number 2, it's low impact. Number 3, it's a combination of cardio and weight training, and at the same, or resistance training. And number 4 is a form of high intensity interval training. So if you're looking for a battle rope, what I would do is I would suggest this one. This one's pretty good. It's 30 feet and an inch and a half thick. And you can get it by going to shreddeddat.com/battle rope, and you're going to see different kinds of battle ropes there, and they have free shipping there, so they'll ship it right to your house. It's definitely worth the investment. You're going to get your ass kicked like you've never had before. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day.